In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone in FreshBooks. Whether you're traveling, relocating, or simply notice that your system is set to the wrong time zone, it's important to ensure that your financial records align with your actual location. This will keep your invoices and reports accurate and helps avoid any confusion down the road. So, let's get started with this straightforward process to update your time zone settings in FreshBooks. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left sidebar. This area serves as your main control panel for navigating different sections of FreshBooks. Look for the Settings option, which typically sits there prominently. It's where all your configuration details are stored. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll be presented with several options. These allow you to tweak a variety of aspects within FreshBooks. The next step is to find and click on Basic Information. This is where your primary account details are located, including the location details we'll be updating. Now that you're in the Basic Information section, you need to scroll down until you come across the time zone setting. FreshBooks provides a listing of available time zones, allowing you to select the one that's most appropriate for your current location. It's essentially just a drop-down menu, making it incredibly easy to switch from one zone to another. Be sure to choose carefully so that it reflects your accurate geographical location. If you're traveling frequently, consider setting it to where your business operations predominantly occur. After you've selected the correct time zone from the list, it's crucial to save your changes. At the bottom of your screen, there should be a Save button. Clicking this ensures that your new time zone setting is recorded, preventing FreshBooks from reverting to the previous setting the next time you log in. It's always a good idea to double-check this by logging out and back in to see the time adjustments reflected in your dashboard and other reports. Changing the time zone in FreshBooks might seem like a small task, but it plays a significant role in maintaining the accuracy of your business activities. It ensures your invoices are sent and received at the correct time and that your financial reports reflect the true timing of income and expenses. This minor adjustment helps in maintaining the seamless flow of your accounting processes and avoids discrepancies that might lead to bigger issues later on. And there you have it. Now you know exactly how to change your time zone in FreshBooks. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.